We stop at NRG.
Christmas, man.
It's Christmas. Heaven?
Imagine having a warehouse like this, bro.
Have everything?
It's like Christmas, bro. We got a bunch of stuff from NRG. I know. Shout out to NRG. Big sponsor on the E46, and now they're a big sponsor on the 350Z. So it's gonna be sick. Look, we got seat rails, we got the seats in the back, harnesses, quick release steering wheel, and the actual steering wheel, which is gonna be sick. I can't wait. Can't wait to install everything, bro. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. So yeah, like you guys seen, we just got back from the NRG warehouse. Shout out to NRG. Huge shout out to NRG. They hooked it up for the 350Z. As you guys know, they sponsored the E46 build. We got NRG seats in here, NRG harnesses, steering wheel. Actually a custom steering wheel, look. A custom quick release steering wheel. And they actually put my name on here. It's pretty sick, dude. All engraved. I think in the back it says 1 of 1. It's pretty sick. Super freaking sick. I love these seats. They look so good in the E46. But anyways, as you guys seen, we went to NRG and we picked up a few things. What are you guys doing, bro? These guys are playing with the knife.
Detroit house rival guy right now.
Go. Let's see how you defend yourself against a knife. Oh, nah, they would have been stabbed. So from NRG today, we got some seats, we got a steering wheel, we got some seat brackets. Let's open everything up so we can see. We got the whole interior pretty much, yeah. It's gonna look sick, bro. I can't wait. This is gonna be a huge difference on the interior. I still gotta get a shift boost so we get rid of the red.
Oh yeah.
We also got some carbon fiber coming for the interior.
Shit.
What happened? You cut yourself? No way, Jordan.
Yeah, this is supposed to be idiot proof, jackwagon.
Broke my nail. God damn.
You guys are gonna stab yourself.
Yeah, put a knife down, clown.
So anyways, I'm excited. Stop, dude. He's getting so close to your head, bro. You get a little hint of what color it is.
Oh yeah.
You need help there, Jordan? Oh my God, bro. These are gonna look crazy in the 350Z. I always keep trying to say E46 in the 350Z. Damn. So they're actually the same exact seats that we have in the E46. They look sick. Look, they do look comfy, bro.
Sparkle back.
Damn. Yeah, just how it is on the drift car. Damn, this is gonna be crazy, bro.
The show dude?
Yeah, it's a show car now.
That's gonna pop out so much.
Bro, they are gonna stand out. You guys don't understand how like bad I wanted red interior on a car, and I really wanted red bucket seats. I actually almost did it on the E46, but we went with black on that car. This car, I'm doing the red bucket seats. So now we have to figure out what wrap we're gonna do in that exterior to make it match. But because like David said, these are gonna stand out a lot when you're driving around. Damn, bro, these are so sick. Let's test them out.
Yeah. What's color?
Bro, this shit actually comfy.
Are they?
Good thing we have the bigger size. I don't know what size to get, medium or
Where they
large?
go? Someone on top of you? Maybe a lady friend?
Oh yeah.
They fit good, huh?
Yeah, I feel like it's perfect for me at least.
We're gonna be whipping it like this,
It's
guys.
pretty comfortable.
You like him, David?
Oh yeah, it's pretty ass in that.
What kind of car are you driving?
Oh, shit, man, he's a little slow.
They look so good, bro. I'm so freaking excited to put these in. We might install them today if we could. Jordan really wants to install them today, but we'll see. Oh!
Oh, that's the Mac right there. We got to know who the Mac is.
The stock seats, guys. They are gonna pop out, bro. Once we do the headliner black with the red seats in here, it's gonna look so clean, bro.
Sorry for this, I'm not even lying.
But we got a lot of stuff.
What is that?
Dude,
I don't
literally NRG, bro, are the best, bro. Look at this.
I think I'm gonna slap it off.
Jordan loves this part. So this hook, guys, you can put on any of your guys' mirrors in any car, any vehicle.
We ain't showing the steering wheel yet.
And then you can hang your steering wheel there, like at a car meet or something like that.
Oh yeah, that's hard.
bro.
That is sick. So you can show off your steering wheel. That's clean. It's out the way. I need that in E46 'cause we always take it off and just throw it on the seat or throw it on the floor. Look, it just stays right there. And I think it fits on a roll cage too, he said. If you guys want to put on a roll cage or a mirror like that if you don't have a roll cage. That's clean. Look, they're almost similar. This one's just a lot dirtier and faded. But this is the new one. Same black suede with the red stitching. Same one here. All right, let's see what we install first. Imagine we throw them in the E46, guys.
Red on red.
Red on red. I would do it, bro. That shit looks hard. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know. Now we gotta figure out what color we're gonna wrap the Z because it has to match the red interior. Jordan really took out the seat already.
They both out.
They're both out?
Yeah, he's got the little sensor that's under him.
Who wants some 350Z stock seats? First look, how are they gonna look in here? But they actually look good in red. I'm glad we went with red.
He did tell you about that, so I'm sure.
I know. So guys, we did run into a problem, which we knew was gonna happen, but the driver's side's in. It's already mounted. It feels good. And the passenger seat though, it's not gonna work. We tried to bolt it in. It will bolt in, but if it's super high, we probably should have showed them how high it fits.
Your head's pretty much hitting the ceiling on one little bump.
You can kind of get the idea of how tall this one fits. Look how high the passenger seat is. It's like a whole couple inches taller, and it just looks way too big. We need to get it even with the driver one. The reason why though is because these brackets, like 350Z brackets, I guess sit super high on this side to clear like the bottom frame. I don't freaking know. It's not gonna fit. We tried everything. An option would be to like have someone that knows how to weld different brackets on and slam it. Or I found some other brackets on Amazon that I might order right now that are like low brackets for like, I guess taller people. I don't know. So I might order those lower brackets. So we're probably not gonna be able to put the passenger seat in for now. But the driver's side is in. I'm just gonna order that bracket from Amazon. Hopefully when it gets here in a couple days, slap it on and then the seat should fit, I hope. I hope that fixes it. And then when we do the headliner, we're gonna do a suede and we might put some stars in it. And then the headliner will be black and it's gonna look so nice in here. All right guys, it's day 2 trying to figure out this steering wheel and seat situation. Ordered those new seat brackets on Amazon last night, so hopefully they get here tomorrow. Then we can try to install the passenger seat because as you guys seen, the passenger seat sits way too high. Couldn't get the steering wheel off yesterday because we needed like a special tool, a torque bit that I don't have. So I'm gonna stop at O'Reilly's right now and see if they have it, hopefully. So then we can finally get the new quick release steering wheel on. I'm really hyped about that too. All right guys, we made it back home and I think I found the right tools. I found these at O'Reilly's and hopefully they work. Finally, we got the tool. Good to know how bad I wanted to do it last night, but I had to wait till the next morning, which sucks. We did disconnect the battery just in case the airbag pops in my face, which we do not want to happen. There you go. All right, the airbag is out. Oh, hit me up for any steering wheel installs. I obviously don't know what I'm doing. Nah, it's pretty easy. Honestly, I did the BMW steering wheel on my E92 like 2 times. It's not that hard. All the cars are pretty similar. All right, the stock wheel is off. Whoever wants a 350Z stock wheel, let me know. Next is to figure out how we put the quick release on. All these little things to put on. I don't know how to do it. Bolts, some screws, and then a bunch of wires, which are probably just new connections. I'm watching a YouTube video. Supposedly we need to pull this one out. Cameron Alford, you've probably seen some of his YouTube videos on YouTube. I've seen some of his videos before I even had a 350Z, but shout out to him because he has a lot of tutorials on YouTube. I'm just not a tutorial person, bro. I'll be watching the tutorials, but I'll try to teach you guys along the way. Now we're just gonna screw all these in. Oh, also a lot of people were commenting on my drifting video that the traction control button's right here. But there's no buttons, guys, look. There's nothing. And in some 350Zs, they actually do.
That's right. Remember, that's what I was asking. They have the buttons right there.
But there's no buttons here, guys, so I don't know why. But like I said, Kix told me that I don't know if it's the HRs or maybe this year. I don't know. He told me that it doesn't even have a button. That it's automatically off or something, right? So all we need to do is probably wild the diff, and then I think we should be good to go. We gotta do that shit. Because I want to drift this car so bad. I think we're done, guys. Let's see if the steering wheel works. And then we'll go test it out. Oh! Why is it crooked?
Did you listen to what he said when you lined up?
Why is it crooked? I fucked up.
This guy's gonna be driving sideways straight.
Bro, there's no way. I listened to everything, thinking this is crooked. Because this is straight. Look, the energy's straight. The line was in there, was perfectly straight too. And this is straight too, look. It looks cool?
I like it.
This is like how it looks straight. Oh yeah, this shit's hard.
Oh, wait, who knows? It might be.
I guess we can just drive it and see what happens.
It's
a whole new interior
it's
now.
a fucking drift car.
Now we can really sell the car for 15 grand.
She's dead.
She's dead, bro. But it feels good?
Yeah.
It looks sick, I'm not gonna lie.
I like how I feel like.
Damn, this steering wheel looks crazy, bro.
Watch, look at it.
Yeah, we gotta buy a new battery for the Z. But we're gonna try to push it.
How are you gonna do the door?
Pop it. This seat's not even bolted in. Let's see if the steering wheel's straight while we're driving. I just can't wait to do the roof in this car because I hate the gray. It is, bro. I'm telling you, it's supposed to be like that. So it is straight. The way I did it, look, the energy logo's straight.
Yes, the wheel.
So it's just this part, this section is fucked up. This shit looks crazy, y'all. Well, it's a whole completely different car now. It's coming together, bro. Pretty quick too. We got the car like a couple days ago and already got seats in here. That's crazy.
We got the wheel. We fixed it. It's finally straight. And damn, I took it around the block. And it's crazy how like literally bucket seats and a wheel makes such a big difference in a car. Like, I don't know, it's just so fun to drive. Like I really just took it around the block and I just want to keep driving. I'm not even like hauling ass or anything. It's just fun.
All right, guys, we're gonna test drive it real quick. I haven't got to drive it yet with the new steering wheel and the new seat. Bro, this shit feels crazy. You should be down one or not?
I raised it up, but yeah.
Bro, I feel like I'm in a whole different car. It's true. Oh, the steering wheel feels so good, bro. I like it a lot. I kind of like it better than the E46 one. That shit feels crazy. I feel so fucking stiff though. Like,
That's not a bad thing, yeah. Your back's like.
I'm not used to driving it like a bucket seat. Drift car now.
Oh yeah, I'm about to eat shit in the seat. Shit.
People were really saying in the comments like it's the worst BQ they've ever heard.
That's what I'm saying.
Is it really that bad?
It sounds
pretty
horrible,
bad.
homie.
It is pretty bad. I'm like,
Look at the sunset.
Yeah, the sunset looks crazy right now. We should take a picture of the car.
I'm about to eat shit in this
The
bitch.
seat's not even.
I'm over here wobbling back and forth.
Oh, this shit feels so sick. I love the steering wheel, bro.
This guy's tripping. Then they crashed this bitch.
Oh shit! Changing the steering wheel and the seats alone, like cleaning the car, like just made this car so sick.
Oh hell, that guy only had one eye.
You have one eye?
Yeah.
That's scary.
He's thinking, what the fuck is this piece of shit?
Nah, this is sick, bro. Honestly, I don't feel like it's a piece of shit no more. Now that we fixed this stuff. Oh, it's working now? Oh, see, it's not no piece of shit anymore.
Oh, that's brand new.
15K, guys. Who wants it? DM me. Once we wrap it, it's gonna be 20K. So get it before we wrap it.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit.